Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Excel Masterclass series. I'm Nima, here to help you master Excel the smart and simple way. Today, we're diving into HLOOKUP, Excel's horizontal lookup function. While VLOOKUP searches vertically down columns, HLOOKUP works across rows. This is super useful when your data is laid out horizontally, like monthly sales reports, budget tables, or financial allocations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use HLOOKUP to find values in horizontal tables. Understand the difference between exact and approximate match. Apply HLOOKUP in real financial examples, such as monthly sales or budget bonuses. So, let's get started. Section 1 HLOOKUP Syntax and Basics. The formula is equals HLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, row index num, range lookup. Here's what each part means. Lookup value, the value you want to search for. Table array, the range that contains your data. Row index num, the row number in the table to return the result from. Range lookup, true for approximate match, false for exact match. Example. Row 1. Product names. Row 2. Sales numbers. If we want to find sales for product X, select a blank cell, say F3. Type equals HLOOKUP, product X, A1, H2, 2, false. Press enter. Excel instantly shows the sales figure for product X. Pro tip: always use false for exact matches in financial reports, it keeps results accurate. Section 2 Table array and row index. Your table array must include both the row where you're searching, the row you want returned. And remember, row index num counts from the first row of your table array. Example. Table range. A1, H2. Row 1 product names. Row 2 sales. If you choose row index num equals 2, you'll get the sales values. Common mistake. Using a row number outside the table range returns #ref. Tip: always double check your row index before pressing enter. Section 3 Exact versus approximate match. Exact match returns the exact value. If not found, you'll see #NA. Approximate match returns the closest match, but your lookup row must be sorted in ascending order. Example. Bonus allocation. 0 to 500 small bonus. 501, 1000 medium bonus. 1001 plus large bonus. Formula. Equals HLOOKUP, 750, A1, B3, 2, true. This returns medium bonus. Tip: in financial reports, it's safer to stick with false unless you really need ranges. Section 4 Using HLOOKUP with cell references. Hardcoding values is risky. Instead, type the product name in cell E1. Use this formula. Equals HLOOKUP, E1, A1, H2, 2, false. Now, if you change the product name in E1, the result updates automatically. Pro tip: this makes your reports dynamic and professional. Section 5 Real financial example. Let's put this into action. Imagine you have a sales report with products across the top row and their monthly sales in the row below. If you want to retrieve sales for product X, equals HLOOKUP, product X, A1, H2, 2, false. If you need totals, combine HLOOKUP with sum for multiple products. Tip: use HLOOKUP for horizontal layouts, but if your data is vertical, switch to VLOOKUP. And that's your complete guide to HLOOKUP in Excel. Practice these steps and you'll be able to create accurate, flexible, and dynamic horizontal reports. Remember, little steps lead to big progress. Keep practicing, and in the next video we'll dive even deeper into smart Excel tricks.